10-hour trip through China's breathtaking countryside, Capucine and Tao find their French-Chinese friends.
Ni hao, we couldn't wait to see you both. What brought you all this way from Shanghai?
Capucine explained their idea of doing an around-the-world tour for World Children's Day. The girls were delighted to take part in their exciting adventure.
Follow us. We have a perfect dessert for your celebration.
Camille and Emily start to prepare the famous moon cake, made from lotus grains. Tao's mouth was already watering. The girls use beautiful wooden molds to give a pretty shape to their cakes. Tao and Capucine thank their friends and get back to their trolley.
How are we going to cross the Yellow Sea, Tao? Press this button and you see.
Capucine presses the button and the trolley transforms to a magnificent dragon boat.
See you soon, girls. Tai Chen.
You just listened to the first episode of A Cooking Journey. If you love the story, do not hesitate to like the video, talk about it, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram at Les Aventures de Tao et Capucine. And to get your book, go to amoureusedune-tarte-au-citron.com. See you!